Hi you all, and welcome back to another video. So today I figured I'd show you all my skincare routine and also a few things that I picked up from Sephora. As you all know, they had a really great sale this last week and a half, and so I did pick up a few things that I have been loving and that I think you all would love too. So yeah, here they are, and then we're gonna hop into the skincare routine. Woo, honey, this natural light is bright. The Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So this has apple cider vinegar, rice germ, moringa seed, what else? Watermelon, of course. Hyaluronic acid and hibiscus. So this stuff is super hydrating. I will say that I really enjoy using this during my nighttime routine. So when I woke up in the morning, my skin was nice and glowy, but it really gave my skin time to soak up all that moisture. So this stuff is going to be really great for the summer, the hot months. Like I said, very hydrating. Check it out. It's about 28 bucks, so not too bad. Alright, so the next thing that I picked up was Farmacy's Green Clean. So this is their Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is another green product. So if you are using makeup wipes, disclaimer, you need to go find them and throw them away and buy this. I will never use another makeup wipe again unless like I somehow don't have this on me and that's all that's available. But I love this stuff. So let me show you. Pretty green, you know. So this is what it looks like after one use, and I have this whole tub to get through, so it will last you a long time. It retails for about 34 bucks, and this is the larger size. So there is a small size and a cheaper option for you if that's what you're looking for. But I will say you'll love this. When I tell you all, I did my makeup. I went out one day and I used this after being out in the sun, the heat, all that stuff, you know, makeup, how it gets over time. So yeah, when I tell you this wiped off my makeup in a matter of 10 seconds, didn't have to even fight for it, scrub, no, none of that. Just, it literally melts away. So highly recommend that for you. And so I'm going to talk about this a little bit later, but what I use to cleanse right now is the PCAskin Pigment Bar. This is a prescription item, so you will need to see a dermatologist or any esthetician that works with a dermatologist, so they are certified to actually sell this to you. But I love it. This has been getting rid of my dark spots, helping them fade over time, and I will get more into why I even had to buy this and how I even got my hands on this. So look out for that after the tutorial. The tutorial. So without any further ado, this is what my skincare routine looks like for my everyday. That's what it looks like, and that's one of the ways that I've been able to transform my skin. You all, when I got back from my birthday trip, my skin went crazy. So I definitely know I may have overdid it on the food or whatever I was eating, whatever I was doing. I don't know. Whenever I get back from, or whenever I travel in general, my skin just goes like crazy. So I've accepted it, but this time it was a bit a little too much. I'll show you all a photo actually. So this is what I looked like not even a week after I got back from my trip. My skin, I've never had really like cystic acne or anything along those lines, so I was like, what the heck is going on? What did I do? Like, I was so sad because my skin was, you know, it was going well. Everything was cool. Everything was cool. I thought we were good. But that wasn't the case. So with that being said, I decided to incorporate a few new products to really help with the discoloration. So the facial wash that I showed you all, I actually got that from an esthetician I went to. So when my skin broke out, I went and got a facial because I was like, I need to hit the reset button. And it's so crazy because I made that facial appointment like almost a month in advance. So the fact that it ended up like coming around at the right time when I needed it, it was perfect. She was able to extract all those pimples and whatnot, and that's definitely not something I would have been able to do on my own. I actually tried to, and you see what happened. So yeah, be careful. But with that being said, I did start using Hum Nutrition Skin Heroes. I definitely just showed you all this, but I want to make it a point that this stuff has really helped transform my skin. Of course, upping my water intake, so I went and bought like a liter bottle of water because I was like, maybe that's why my skin was going crazy. I pretty much drink water all the time, but you know, the more water the better. And then like I said, the skincare soap that I showed you all, the cleanser, that is really great in evening out my dark spots. Like, you all, I'm gonna show you all some pictures like over the weeks of what my skin has looked like, and this is it now. So I'm really happy with the progress. All right, so I just got back inside and this is still my face. It's been about 2.5 hours. I ate outside, all that good stuff, like in the heat, and my face still looks really moisturized. So yeah, this routine works. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it here, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.